So I wanted to answer the question, who is the Detox Reset Bundle for? Who's it perfect for? Because I've been getting lots of questions through saying, Ryan, should I be getting the Total Health Revival course, one-to-one consultations, or the Detoxification Reset Bundle? So here we go. So when it comes to your health, if you're dealing with a chronic health issue, I recommend you get the Total Health Revival course. As a step-by-step course that's going to take you through being ill all the way to full health, and it's going to give you exactly what you need to get there if you've got a chronic health issue. However, if you're looking to optimize and improve your health, if you're someone that is maybe feeling tired, fatigued, you've got some skin issues, you're not feeling yourself, joint pain, whatever it is, but you want to get to the next level of health, you want to optimize your health, and you want to have a higher vibrational frequency. If you want to get rid of the plastics and chemicals and heavy metals that are building up in your body, if you want to get rid of the infections or parasites that are in your body, unwanted protozoa, funguses, then the Detoxification Reset Bundle is perfect for you, especially for someone that doesn't detoxify every year. And I would say it's critical to detoxify at least once a year. So if you're someone that has never done that, or someone that's only done it once, but you're actually looking for the most advanced protocols and methods to do it, then this is perfect, because you're going to get double the results in half the time with the advanced techniques and protocols and products I'm showing you. And I said before, you have to detoxify your body at least once a year, because if you're not, all those toxins, chemicals, plastics, microplastics, VOCs, flame retardants, pollutants, etc., parasites, they are going to be building and building in your system, and so one day that inevitably is going to cause issues, illness, advanced disease, etc. You don't want to get to that state. Prevention's always better than cure. And as I said yesterday, dry fasting, water fasting, normal juice cleanses, they just don't cut it in today's uber toxic world. We're exposed to so many more toxins. Our bodies are not designed to break down and to rid, so we need help. So this is why it's crucial to give your body the help it needs to clear, especially colon, liver, parasites, which we'll be going through. And as I said, you can't put a price on health. People have been, sometimes I've had a few messages through saying, Ryan, it's a little bit expensive, and I would say, compared to what? Compared to what? You'll get lifetime access to the most advanced techniques that I've put together from 16 years of my own experience working with me, my clients, thousands of clients, and the hundreds of thousands that I've spent working with the best to understand how to put this together in a way that cuts through all the noise. And you're getting, as I said before, lifetime access to this, so you can go back through it as many times as you want, and you haven't got to join live. You can go through it at your own. You can join live, but you can also go through it at your own pace, so you can access it whenever you need. And as I said before, you can't put a price on your health. Without your health, it doesn't matter what designer clothes you got, what car you've got, what fancy watch you've got, holidays to exotic places. You can't enjoy any of that if you're sitting there, feeling tired, fatigued, joint pain, having skin issues, just not feeling yourself, have crippling anxiety and depression. These come with people that are heavily burdened with toxins. And so I've been there myself. I know what that feels like. It's not a fun place, and so it doesn't matter all the things you've got. People will happily go and spend, hundreds of pounds on clothes, or £1,000 on a watch, or hundreds of pounds a month on a car, whatever it is. But when it comes to their health, they don't seem to value it, and that to me is fine. Then I say, then you're not for Revive, you're not for us, because we're interested in working with people that do understand that their health is their wealth. Without it, you have nothing. And even people, they want to go on a holiday and experience the local cuisine, etc., but they can't even digest it. Their gut's completely inflamed. They can't digest, metabolize, assimilate, eliminate foods because their gut's so backed up, so full of things like toxins, mucoid, plaque, etc., gas, wind, pain, bloating, constipation. This is why it's so important to clear the colon at least once a year. And as I said before, in the bundle we'll be going colon, liver, and parasites, and we'll be going through that. So what is, when people say that can't put a price on health, like I say again, you literally can't. I've been there. When a man's got his health, he's got 1,000 dreams. When he hasn't, he's got one. And so if you're looking to improve your health, optimize your health, get to the highest levels of performance, feel your best, so you can go out there and, you know, smash it in business, you know, attract the partner you want, just be able to focus on things that you want, spend more time, quality time with your kids, or more quality time with your partner, feel good about yourself, feel sexy, so you actually have intimate time with your partner, then this is the way to do it. And as I said before, Detoxification Reset Bundle, this is the early bird price. It will be going up on Sunday, so you've got a few more hours to get in at this price. All the advanced techniques I've been learning over the last year that I'm putting into this, you get lifetime access to. So now is the time to join. If you do want to join, so before we go live on Monday 8 p.m. UK time, but you don't have to be there at that time, you can go through the program whenever you want. Just message me the word bundle, and I'll send you over the links for all the information. Otherwise, lots of love, hopefully see you there, but always remember, you have to detoxify your body at least once a year. I always do 2 to 3 times a year, at least once a year, if you want to optimize your health and you want to make sure you don't come down with a chronic illness, disease, etc., because we are living in a super toxic world. Anyway, hope that helps. Lots of love. Speak to you soon.